try to catch some crappie or some bass, anything I can catch today. The water is kind of chilly, and I'm going to be dragging around a little crappie jig, pearl and white. It's going to look like a baby bait fish of some sort, like shad. Water's cold, you want to drag it real slow. The fish is still trying to adapt to the water temperatures. And I'll bring it closer to the camera so you can see it. But that's our first crappie of the day. He's a little one, so I'm going to let him go. Let him get bigger and we'll catch him another day. And the lure I'm using, hopefully the camera will focus here, is a Bobby Garland baby shad. I'm going to use a small profile lure early in the season and move it real slow. Backlash to my line. A lot of fishermen don't show that. I don't know why, but that's something that happens when you're fishing. And a lot of times that's caused by casting too light of a lure or a bait, and then the line not being tight when you reel it in. And that causes it to knot up. So the easiest way to get that out is not to pull on the line, but to throw it back out there. And a lot of times the cast will clear the line where you can get it back on your reel without wasting it or polluting the water with the line. I know there's fish around this dock here, but getting them to bite, that's going to be the tricky part. Where there's a will, there's a way. Told you. Where there's a will, there is a way. Another small guy. Another small guy. He hammered that lure. Hopefully he goes and tells his family to try to kill this lure, because it pierced his lip, guys.